Hi, today I'm here with this pot. I made it by myself. I cut it from here and I made it whole from here. I just wanted to fill it up with the soil and I wanted to put this jade plant. So I done with filling up the pot with the soil. Now I just wanted to put this fire on the soil just like this. And these are my jet plant which I propagated from cuttings, and I just wanted to put this jet plant to the edge of the site. I wanted to put the longest one and which have grown so well rooted so that I can grow very well, and I wanted to get in the shape very fast. So finally I'm done with making this jade plant, planting this plant. I just wanted to tie it up when they grow up, and I wanted to make in this shape. I wanted both from this side also. I wanted to give them to grow, and I will tie it up and I will make in this shape. See, it will be in very beautiful shape. And this is the another jade plant that I have propagated, and I am trying to make it in the forest tree shape. I've cut it and I'm trying to make them in the bonsai shape. See, I've cut it and I made it in a small type of tree. These all are the plant that I propagated from cuttings. I have so many, and see, this is also the one which I am trying to make it into the bonsai shape. So bye. Thank you so much for staying to the end and try to make it like this. It's just easy process and this little jet plant really grow from the cutting. So just try this one and bye.